Hi guys, I'm here to share with you my summer morning skincare routine. I did a video on my nighttime skincare routine and I'll link it below. Since our skincare needs change throughout the year, I'm using products that work well with my skin during the summer. I said it before and I'll say it again. If you don't have a solid skincare routine, you need one. My morning skincare routine is quick and easy. I hope you find it useful. Let's get into the video. For step 1, I start by using a water-based cleanser. I'm using Philosophy's Purity. I make sure my face and my hands are wet, and then I put an ample amount of the cleanser into my hands and work it into a generous lather, and then I distribute it all over my entire face. Now I could use my Klairs, but during the daytime I tend to like to just use my hands only and save the Klairs for my nighttime skincare routine, because I find not only does it work really well in cleansing my skin, but it also helps to exfoliate my skin. For step 2, after I'm finished thoroughly cleansing my skin, I like to use some sort of face mask. Here, I'm using a homemade turmeric face mask. Turmeric face masks have a ton of skincare benefits, from skin brightening to reducing acne and scarring. However, it is messy. But the trick to turmeric mask lies in the thickness and other ingredients that keep this beauty powerhouse from staining clothing and making a mess. I will do a video for how I make my turmeric mask. The reason I am using a turmeric mask in this video is because I make enough to last for 5 to 7 days and find that my skin is bright and glowing at the end of the last treatment. You can do a turmeric mask for 30 days, but I don't think it's necessary. After 5 or 7 days, you will notice a definite difference in your skin. I have about 2 more days to go, and then I'll repeat the process again next month for another 5 to 7 days. I like to use a makeup brush when applying any kind of face mask because it's easy and more sanitary than just sticking my hands in the product. Ew, gross. I make sure the consistency is not too thin or thick and glides over my skin easily. I then leave the face mask on for about 20 minutes before thoroughly rinsing it off. Thoroughly washed off the face mask. For step 3, I like to use a toner before applying any other products. I didn't dry my face this time because I'm currently using Neutrogena's Hydro Boost spray in place of my traditional toner. Neutrogena suggests to use this product post-shower or post-facial cleansing while the skin is still wet and moist, and then spray the product directly onto wet skin. I do not like to spray anything on my face, so I spray about 2 or 3 pumps into my hand and then apply the product to my face. I'm about halfway through the bottle, and I do think that it does help to maintain my skin's moisture level. Hello, hydration. After the Neutrogena's Hydro Boost absorbs into my skin, for step 4, I'm using Klairs Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drop. Wow, that's a mouthful. This is a peptide, and peptides work to rebuild and repair damaged cells and signals the skin to produce collagen, which slows down the aging process. Peptides are great for repairing and hydrating the skin. I apply 3 drops, 1 to my forehead and 1 to each of my cheeks. and then I smooth over my entire face, and I end in a patting motion to ensure the product gets absorbed into my skin. For step 5, I use Murad's Renewing Eye Cream. I use this eye cream day and night to help reduce dark circles and wrinkles around my eye area. I apply a small amount straight from the bottle to my eye area. I then take my ring finger and lightly tap the product around my eye area, moving from one eye to the other. Remember, the eye area is delicate, so be gentle. For step 6, I apply a moisturizer and a vitamin C powder. I use Philosophy's Ultra Light Moisturizer, and then I add The Ordinary's vitamin C powder to it. First, I put a small amount of the moisturizer in the palm of my hand, and then I'll apply 1 or 2 scoops of vitamin C powder to the moisturizer. I rub the two products together before applying to my face. Just a warning though, it may sting a bit from the vitamin C, but should be tolerable and subside once your skin adjusts to the vitamin C. Guys, I absolutely love applying vitamin C to my skin because it's an antioxidant that helps to brighten and even my skin tone and target signs of aging. It's a must in my skincare arsenal. Another thing I wanted to add is that the Purity Ultra Light Moisturizer really is what it says it is. It's very, very light. I don't really have to worry about my skin breaking out because the moisturizer is too heavy. It really does work well with multiple skin types. And I'm just going to continue working the moisturizer into my skin in an upward motion. Not only is it good to work in upward strokes, but it makes me feel like someone else is working on my skin. Well, that's my morning summer skincare routine. I will link all the products mentioned in the video below. If you found this video useful, please remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.